Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can import contacts to Telegram from your contact log on your phone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes. Also write comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, for this you will need, of course, first open the Telegram app and go to the settings section at the bottom. Here, select privacy and security. Scroll down and find the Data Settings option. Next, you'll find Contacts to synchronize. As you can see, I already have this feature enabled. If you have this feature disabled, then just activate it by clicking on this button here. That way, all your contacts that you have in your contact log on your phone, on your SIM card, they will all be synchronized with the Telegram app, and it will find all your users, all your contacts in the app. This is the way, friends, very quick and simple way you can easily import your contacts in Telegram app. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Below the video, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.